There are things that look like they came from an expensive floral studio, were arranged by interior designers and placed in the lobby of a 5-star hotel. And then you find out that all it takes to create something this beautiful is peonies, grapefruit, and a clear vase. Hello everyone! To all my new and returning viewers, you are watching Tasty Sam. And today we created one of the most impressive home decor arrangements I've ever made myself. And honestly, it looks so luxurious that people usually don't believe how simple it actually is. By the way, do you like having fresh flowers at home? Or are you one of those people who say, sure, they're beautiful, but they'll wilt in a week? Personally, I think flowers are one of the fastest ways to completely change the mood of a space. For this arrangement, you'll need 5 9 peonies, 2 4 pink grapefruits, a tall clear cylindrical vase, water, a knife, floral scissors or pruning shears. Let's start with the grapefruits. Wash them thoroughly and slice them into thin rounds about 5 cm thick. Slices that are too thick won't sit properly against the glass. Slices that are too thin may lose their shape. Now pour a small amount of water into the vase, just a little. This helps temporarily hold the grapefruit slices against the sides. Begin placing the slices along the inner wall of the vase. Each new slice should slightly overlap the previous one. It starts to look like a stained glass citrus window. And honestly, at this stage alone, the arrangement already looks like something created for an interior design magazine photo shoot. Once the walls are completely covered, we move on to the peonies. Always refresh the stems by cutting them at an angle. This helps the flowers absorb water more effectively. And it's one of the most useful tricks professional florists use. A lot of peony buy flowers and simply place them in water. But a fresh cut can extend the life of the bouquet by several days. Now place the peonies into a smaller vase and set it inside the arrangement. Then add water to the appropriate level and make sure to remove any leaves that would sit below the water line. Now comes the most beautiful part. Open the blooms. Adjust the flower. Arrange them naturally. The arrangement looks best when the peonies are at different stage of opening. A few tight buds, a few partially opened blooms, and a few fully open flowers. This makes the composition feel alive and full of dimension. Did you know peonies are considered some of the most beloved flowers in the world? They've been cultivated in China for over 1,000 years. There, the peony was known as the king of flowers. It symbolized wealth, beauty, and prosperity. Peonies decorated palaces and imperial gardens. And in Europe, aristocrats quickly fell in love with them as well, making them a signature feature of luxurious estates and formal gardens. Fruit arrived much later. Historically speaking, it's a relatively young fruit. So in this arrangement, an ancient floral tradition meets such a much younger citrus. But the most interesting thing isn't even the history. Do you know why this arrangement looks expensive? It comes down to design. Great design is almost always built on contrast. Our eyes get tired when everything looks the same. If a space contains only soft shapes, it can feel blurry. If it contains only straight lines, it can feel cold. That's why designers constantly combine opposites. Look closely at our vase. The grapefruit slices create clear geometry, almost an architectural pattern. The peonies, meanwhile, are soft, airy, and organic. It becomes a balance between order and nature. And that's exactly why the arrangement feels professional. Not because it's expensive, but because the forms work together beautifully. In fact, designers in luxury hotels around the world often use a similar approach. They combine flowers, fruit, branches, and glass into one dramatic display. Because arrangements like this attract attention and make interiors feel more alive. Which version do you prefer? Deep burgundy peonies or soft pink ones? Personally, I think burgundy peonies paired with pink grapefruit looks especially luxurious. I also love that grapefruit acts almost like colored glass. When sunlight shines through it, the water glows with soft pink tones. It becomes a natural stained glass effect. And honestly, if someone had described this to me a few years ago, I would have assumed they were talking about a design installation rather than a fruit from the grocery store. To keep your arrangement look beautiful for as long as possible, change the water daily. Refresh the flower stems every 2 days. Keep the vase away from direct sunlight. Replace the grapefruit slices when needed, and your arrangement can stay gorgeous for several days. If you enjoy ideas for home decor, creativity, and beautiful living, be sure to follow on my OnlyFans page. And even more inspiring videos and creative projects are waiting for you on Off TV. It was Tasty Sam. And now I'm going to admire these peonies and probably take another 100 photos of this arrangement. See you in the next video, and may your life always have a little more beauty than necessary.